Good morning, children. Welcome to the next online English class. Today we shall study chapter number 2 of our literature book. This is a poem written by W. Ellingham. Before reading the poem, let us discuss pre-reading task. If asked to choose between money and freedom, what would you choose and why? Honest answer is freedom, because freedom is priceless. Can you think of few things that come with freedom that cannot be bought with money? If we are free, we can go anywhere, we can do things of our own choice, we can pursue our hobbies, and many more things. Now, let us read the poem. This is a very beautiful poem. In fact, this poem is in dialogue form. A dialogue is going on between a child and bird. Child want to make a bird its pet. Let us see. Child, birdie, birdie, will you pet? Summertime is far away, yet you will have silken quills and velvet bed and pillow of satin for your head. Child is asking the bird if it would become its pet because it's winter time. It is very tough time for the bird, and summer is still far away. If the bird would become its pet, it would provide it silken quilt, velvet bed, and satin pillow. So these silken, velvet, and satin, these are very soft fabric. In fact, child is saying, if the bird would become its pet, it would provide a very comfortable life for the bird. Bird replying the child, I would rather sleep in the ivy wall. No rain comes through, though I hear it fall. The sun peeps gay at the dawn of the day. The sun peeps gay at the dawn of the day, and I sing and wing away, away. Bird is saying that a climber or a creeper is its nest, and the bird is happy in its nest. Ivy mean a creeper or a climber that climb on a wall. In fact, this is a climber which have thick leaves. So bird is saying it is happy to live in the thick leaves of a creeper where no rain comes though. Yes, its nest is without means no rains comes in its nest, and it can hear the sound of rain, which is very pleasant to the bird. The sun peeps gay at the dawn of the day. Peeps mean look at, gay mean happy. Very early in the morning, sun rays fall in its nest, and icing mean the bird start chirping and being away, away. As the sun rays fall on the nest of the bird, it start chirping, and after that it fly in the open sky. Child is still trying to lure or tempt the bird with another offers. Child is saying, oh birdie, birdie, will you pet diamond stones and amber and jet? We shall string on a necklace fair and fine to please this pretty bird of mine. Child is saying, if the bird would become its pet, it would offer the bird a very precious necklace, a necklace that would be made of diamond, amber, and jet. These are very precious stone. In order to make happy the bird, the child would offer it a very expensive necklace. And the bird reply, oh, thanks for diamond and thanks for jet, but here is something daintier yet. A feather necklace round and round that wouldn't sell for £1,000. Bird is saying, your diamond, your jet, your amber, they are very, very precious. But there is something more sweeter. Daintier mean more sweeter than your precious gems. God has offered me a feather necklace around its neck, and bird is saying it would not sell that necklace even someone pay him thousands of pounds. Child again, oh birdie, birdie, won't you pet? Still, child is asking, oh bird, you will not become my pet. We shall buy you a dish of silver fret. Silver fret means decorated with silver thread. Child is saying, if you become my pet, I would offer you food in a pot that would be decorated with silver threads, a golden cup and ivory seat. If you become my pet, I would mm, give you something to drink in a golden cup, and if you want to sit, you would be provided ivory seat. Ivory mean elephant teeth, that is very, very expensive, and carpet soft beneath your feet, and if you want to sit on a floor, you will be provided very soft carpet under your feet. Again bird is replying to the child's offer, can running water be drunk from a gold? Bird is asking, can you provide me running water in a golden cup? Can silver dish the forest hold? The joy of eating in the forest, can you give me in a silver, in a pot that is decorated with a silver? A rocking twig. Twig means small branch. Rocking means moving. And the joy I feel on a small branch of a tree, can you provide that joy on that ivory seat? And the softest pass the through the air, and when I fly in the air, that joy can you provide me in your case or in your home? Oh no, you can't. So goodbye, goodbye. So goodbye, my dear fair. Fair means lovely or beautiful. So my lovely child, goodbye, goodbye. So this is a poem. Here poet has laid stress on the importance of freedom. Freedom is priceless and it can't be replaced with any offers. So in this poem, let us discuss the rhyme scheme. In first stanza, birdie, birdie, will you pet? Summertime is far away yet. The last word of first two line, they have same rhyme, pet yet. So we can call them A. And third and fourth line, you will have silken quilt and velvet bed and pillow of satin for your head. So third line and fourth line ended with the same rhyme, bed, head. So first is A and next BB. They have same sound. In second stanza, same rhyme scheme, ball, fall, same rhyme, and in third line, day, away, same rhyme. So AABB is the rhyme scheme of the poem. And let us discuss the poetic device. poetic devices that we have read in classics: metaphor, simile, alliteration. So you might be in your mind all these things. So birdie, birdie, will you pet? Here the poet has used alliteration. Alliteration means the repetition of consonant sound. So here the poet is repeating the same word: birdie, birdie, will you pet? So this is all for you for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.